Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Nevada, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Nevada, United States. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Bitcoin. How to buy cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all informations about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin in the USA, and news. Now, we should go this page. List of top cryptocurrencies. In this page we can get all informations about best, top, important cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Binance Coin, and others. It's so easy. Now, we want to buy Bitcoin. Firstly, we need to get information about this coin. We should push info button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin. It's so easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? We should click Get BTC button. Let's go.